Welcome, kitchen dwellers. Today we are talking about this thing here, which is everybody's favorite Miele coffee. More importantly, the Miele coffee machine system, and most importantly, how to properly maintain and care for your Miele coffee system. We're going to be needing a total of 3 different care products. These are them here. One of them is going to be these small white tablets. They are the degreasing tablets for the brew unit where the coffee is made. These larger pucks here are going to be the descale for the water, and depends on which part of the city or country you are in, the descaling may work differently as well. Lastly is going to be this big box here. This is for your lovely cappuccinos and lattes and similar milk drinks. This is the milk pipework cleaner. They come in convenient small packages like these. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing to note is that this machine does come in different languages, so please go into settings and select your preferred language to make things a little bit easier for you. And after that is done, go into settings again and select the water hardness. You can test this by using the little water testing strip that gets shipped with these machines and select the right 1, 2, 3, or 4 in terms of water hardness to make the machine work with the water better. As for the actual cleaning programs, I will be including timestamps in the video's description, so you can click on each one to get to the one you need. We're beginning with our descale. As we click into maintenance and descale, the machine will begin telling us every single step of the way. You will find this to be the common theme in all of the cleaning processes in this entire video, so we'll basically follow what the machine tells us to do. So we just empty the drip tray and take out the water container, and then fill the water container to the level of which the machine tells us, and input one of the descaling tablets and let the machine do the rest. If the machine tells you to either empty the drip tray again or put some containers underneath, do so, and that's going to be pretty much it for descaling. Before moving on to Degrease, I want to point out that the Miele coffee machines are actually very good at cleaning themselves with the automatic rinsing, and depending on what we are putting into the machine, the cleaning may change their frequency as well. See, if you put in harder water, the machine will have to be descaled more often, and if you're using oilier beans, you have to degrease the machine very often, and that's why we always recommend using non-greasy or not shiny beans. The machine will ask us to put the small degreasing tablet into the coffee ground chute. It's just going to be behind the top left container of the machine here, and we just flip the tap open and drop the small puck down there. One thing to note is that normally this chute is actually used to put in pre-ground coffee. So when you want to use a different type of ground coffee instead of the beans in the machine already, you can use this option. After putting the degreasing tablet inside, all there is left to do is just wait for the machine to finish its thing and maybe change the water container or rinse out the water container when the machine asks you to, and you're pretty much done. Now moving on to cleaning of the milk pipework. If you don't drink any milk related drinks, you don't even need to do this, and the machine won't even remind you to clean this either. And yes, the machine will remind you to do cleaning whenever it is required, and when the cleaning is not required, the machine will also automatically rinse to make sure everything is flowing properly. But if you do enjoy a macchiato or cappuccino or something like that once in a while, you will have to use the milk pipework cleaner when it is required to. It's very similar with the descaling actually. Just fill the water container to a point of which the machine tells you to, and add in the powder cleaner this time. Put it back and set the containers to the proper position, and then let the machine do its work. Just rinse out the container once in a while when the machine asks you to, and finish the process. If you do have reduced flow in your dispensing of the coffee, you need to clean the main dispenser as well, and this is the only manual cleaning you have to do for this machine. Simply go into maintenance and then select cleaning of the main dispenser and follow the instructions. We need to pull this off by pushing the up on this lever here, and then just rinse everything out and put it back in, and we're done with the cleaning job. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope we were able to share some Miele knowledge while entertaining you. Feel free to explore other videos and other appliances, or explore our other forms of social media for current content. Thank you!